Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch face down on a soft mat so you control movement. Use a loop and the smallest screwdriver that fits. You want torque, not slop. If the cap is screw down, turn counterclockwise with steady pressure. If snap fit, lift gently with a pry tool at the notch. Once the cap is off, inspect the O-ring and threads for debris or damage, because cleaning comes next and prevents repeated leaks and misfits. You must clean and inspect thoroughly before replacing anything. Brush or blow debris from threads, then run pegwood around the crown seat to remove trapped grit. This prevents cross-threading. Measure the O-ring against a spare. Replace it if it's compressed, nicked, or visibly thinner by about 10%. Once done, lightly degrease metal parts and check cap threads under loop. Remove tiny burrs with a fine file so the cap will seat evenly with. You reassemble by applying a thin film of watch-grade silicone to the O-ring and seating it evenly in the groove, then hand-thread the cap to avoid cross-threading. Once it's hand-tight, use a torque driver or a controlled turn to snug it, not more than you would close a jar. After assembly, operate the crown and pushers to confirm smooth action. If you see leakage or stiffness, reopen and check O-ring seating. That single correction fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.